Most people think they're saving money, but in reality, they're losing it every single day, not because of bad decisions, but because of something silent: inflation. And if you don't understand this, it will destroy your wealth slowly, without you even noticing. Here's the truth nobody talks about. If your money grows at 4%, but inflation is 6%, you're not making money, you're losing 2% every year. And over time, that loss compounds. This is why many people work for decades, save consistently, and still feel broke. Because inflation is a hidden tax on your future. Most people rely on cash savings accounts, basic bonds, but during inflation, these become wealth destroyers. Why? Because they don't grow fast enough to beat rising prices. So even though your balance increases, your real purchasing power decreases. And that's the game you must understand. It's not about how much you have. It's about what your money can buy. Now let's talk about what actually works. These are 5 types of investments that historically protect and grow wealth during inflation. 1. Inflation-protected assets. These are designed to move with inflation. When prices go up, your investment adjusts automatically. This creates a base layer of protection. 2. Real estate. Real estate benefits from inflation in 2 ways. Property values rise and rent increases over time. This means you earn more while your asset becomes more valuable. 3. Commodities. Things like energy, metals, agriculture. These are directly tied to price increases. When inflation rises, these assets often rise first. 4. Strong businesses. Some companies can raise prices without losing customers. These businesses sell essential products, have strong demand, and increase profits during inflation. 5. Global diversification. Not all economies behave the same. By investing globally, you protect yourself from weakness in one currency or region and gain exposure to stronger markets. Here's the key: no single investment protects you completely. But together, they create a system that protects your money, grows your wealth, and adapts to changing conditions. Smart investors don't rely on luck. They build balanced strategies. The goal isn't to predict the future, because in the long run, consistency beats timing every single time. Inflation isn't temporary, it's part of the system. So the real question is, are you letting it destroy your wealth? Or are you using it to build it? Follow Future Finance Lab and start thinking like an investor.